Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Zoom meeting on laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up Zoom as you normally would, and then from here go ahead and click onto new meeting. From here, go ahead and click onto start. We've got an option to disable audio video if you like, but I'm just going to keep them running. Then from here, go ahead and click onto start. The little pop-up window is going to say Zoom Workplace. And now, once we're here, you're going to see a green button here that says share. So go ahead and click on share. And now we've got a few different options. So if you've got a multiple monitors running like myself, so we can share screen 1 here or screen 2. And also we can share application windows. So if you've got any application windows open, you can share them as well. And on the right hand side, we can see the layout here, and then we can change this layout like so. And then we've got share options, so you can share sound if you like. You can optimize for video sharing and share Zoom windows as well.